when his father and I split, that was difficult for him. And this one time when Brennan was 17 and Derek was 14, and Brennan decided to enter a talent show. He sang a song from an old pirate musical. But Derek got his football buddies to replace the choir and sing Brennan Has a Mangina.
Brennan has a mangina. Brennan has a mangina.
Finally, the audience and even some of the nastier parents started singing Brennan Has a Mangina. And I have to admit, for a little while, I sort of joined in as well. From that day on, Brennan never sang again. Derek went on to win the contest by lip-syncing Ice Ice Baby.
Dance, crush the speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly.
Oh, it's a great song.
It is.